DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, plays a crucial role in everyday internet used by automatically assigning IP address to device on a network. This enables smartphone, laptops, smart TV, and other devices to connect to the internet seamless without manual configuration, whether at home, office, or in public Wi-Fi zone. DHCP ensures efficient network management and reduces human error and simplifies connectivity, making internet access faster, easier, and more reliable for everyone. Without DHCP, network administration would have to manually assign IP address to each device, time consuming and error. It This process is often referred to as DORA, discover. In this, the client sends a broadcast message and the DHCP discover the message to locate any IP available for DHCP server. Offer, DHCP server replies with a DHCP offer and opposes an IP address from its database. R request, the client responds with a DHCP request saying, yes, I need this IP. Acknowledgement, the DHCP server send an acknowledgement confirming the base lease of and completing the process. This process uh, uh, Discover has a 000 IP address and the subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 255. Offer Offer has IP address sent by the server from its database. Request can be that I need this IP address. Once DHCP server receives this request, it sends an acknowledgement. This is a DHCP is a layer 7 application, and in network 2, the data link use its own MAC address and broadcast MAC address because it don't know broadcast MAC address. Layer 3, it will send its own IP address 000 and destination IP address, broadcast IP address 255, 255, 255, 255. Layer 4, source port will be 28 and the destination port is 67, server port number. Layer 7 is a DHCP header. Step by step live DHCP configuration.
DHCP, select router, then switch, hold control key and select two switches, then end devices, PC, hold and control key, laptops, hold control key, otherwise you have to select it again and again. Then server, connection. This is a passport, but if you find difficulty, then you can choose this one. Interfaces are written. You are seeing interfaces coming automatically. If it is not available, I will show you the option how to select this one. Option preferences, always show port address, and then commands, DHCP server 192.168. 10.2, 192.168.10.1, 192.168.20.1, office staff and students in library who are getting benefit from DHCP server, getting automatic IP address. Make it more visual, helpful. Okay, our desktop IP address 192.168.10.2. Okay, default at my 192.168.10.1. Services DHCP server, add, make it save, office default gateway is 192.168.10.1. IP address is 10. Starting IP address is, let's take it 10. Number of office employees are, let's set it 25. Okay, add. Another is library 20, default type 20, and this one is also 20, make it 20. Starting IP address is 20. Number of students, let's say 150 at a time. Add. Service on. Okay. CLI. No. Enable. Configure. Terminal. Host name Mac and IP address interface G0/0/1. IP address. Description, make it description is better. Description of the interface. Description is office IP address is 192.168.10.1, 255.255.255.0. IP helper address IP helper address 192.168.10.2. No shutdown. It is showing up. Otherwise, if you don't put no shutdown command, and it will be shown administratively down. And interface G, I will check G000. G0. By arrow key, you can find it. Description, library, IP address, 20, IP helper address, no shutdown, Control Z, copy running configuration into startup configuration, enter, show running configuration, library, office, IP address, okay, okay, no VLAN, okay. Let's check. Desktop, DHCP requesting IP address, is good, working, IP address, DHCP, working, 11. It will take randomly from its pool. Okay. 21. Yes. I can ping also from 192.168.20.22. Okay. This one from this office to library. Okay. By simulation also I can see. Simulation, this is the real time. Simulation packet from here to here. Start. Default gateway, it will go to the default gateway from there. It will find its routes. First it will broadcast, then the next time it will send directly to this. No, wait for the next time. Initially it will broadcast it. Yes. Yes. This is broadcast. Okay. Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and hit bell icon for more updates on industrial communication. Stay tuned for more.